Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can transform pictures like this into tattoo stencils that are ready to be printed like this one, only on your Android devices. So if you are an Android user, I got you covered. Let's not waste any more time and get into it. Okay, first things first, we're gonna head over to Google Play Store and we're gonna download these three apps. The first one is Pencil Sketch, the second one is gonna be Sketchbook, and the third one is gonna be Google Photos. After that, we're gonna open HD Pencil Sketch, we're gonna go to the gallery, and we're gonna open the picture that we want to transform into the stencil. So now I'm just gonna open this small tiger here. Now after it's opened, you're gonna go onto the right hand side corner on comic. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna go onto the bottom left and you're gonna click on this pencil over here, and then the stencil is pretty much done right now. You can save it, but I'm gonna show you how we can adjust the size and we can make it more crisp in Sketchbook, and after that we're gonna do more editing in Google Photos. So now we're just gonna open Sketchbook. After we open up Sketchbook, we're just gonna import the stencil that we created with the Pencil Sketch app, and I'm just gonna resize it. And now I'm just gonna select the eraser tool and I'm just gonna start erasing whatever I don't need to be printed and transferred to the skin. So all the background around and a little bit on the sides, I'm just gonna start erasing, as you can see in here. Fairly easy to do.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So I'm just erasing, making it just more workable on the skin. This doesn't take much, so you can be as deliberate as you want with it. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to hit the notification bell, like the video, leave me a comment, let me know how you go, if this video was helpful for you, if you want other videos like this one. So yeah. Now I'm going into Google Photos and I'm just gonna do just minor tweaks and adjustments over here. This one is not really necessary, I just like to do it. I feel like it gives you a more crisper stencil when you print it out. So you just click on edit, and then in here in the adjustments you just play around. I play around with the HDR effect, with the sharpener, and the pop. I really like the pop because it makes the stencil way crisper than the sketch app itself. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with a friend. Maybe you have a friend that uses an Android device that he might find this video helpful. And yeah, this is how you make a tattoo stencil from any picture on your Android device. Until next time, stay safe.